Machindranath Jatra is one of the living traditions of Nepal. It is the longest chariot procession held in Lalitpur. But do you know some of the rites and rituals associated with the festival? Every year, these rites and rituals are performed in Tawbal, Patan, but once every 12 years, these rites and rituals are performed in Bungamati. So today we are looking at the rites and rituals of Machindranath festival. Number 10. Bathing ceremony, which is also known as Bunga Nawa in Newari language. On the Vaisak Krishna Pakshi Pratipada, the first day of dark fortnight, the idol of Sri Machindranath is carried from Tawbal Patan by a group of Nekus and set up on a lotus pedestal under a tree in Lagankhel. As you all know, the tree is believed to be mother of Sri Machindranath, but it is also said that this is a place where King Narendra Dev halted when he brought the deity in Bihari. Panchamrit with rice grain, sandalwood paste, betel nut are added to pots, and Nekus poured these water over the idol of Sri Machindranath. Number 9. Kalash Puja. Brahmacharya Panjus from Bungamati performs this Kalash Puja, on which the spirit of Sri Machindranath from the idol is transferred to Kalash. There are other similar pots. 2 are used for second bathing ceremony and the other 6 are placed in temple as protective deities. Number 8. Sword function. On the evening, a king's sword is brought by the Rajaguru's guard. When the sword arrives, people say, Srinivas Malla has come. The sword of the king is placed in front of the platform so that the king can have clear view of the proceedings. Number 7. Second bathing ceremony, which is also known as Taliluyu in Newari language. After Kalash Puja, again an auspicious day is determined for second bathing ceremony. 2 of the Nekus bring pots with bathing water and pour over the idol of Sri Machindranath. The idol of Sri Machindranath is covered with a cloth and kept in for 4 days, so that the mold occurs in idol. Number 6. Painting the idol. On the 5th day, the idol is handed over to Nekus for replastering and painting. According to tradition, 32 different clays are supposed to be brought from Nepi, but now they are no longer available to find. After completing the painting, the image is brought out into the sun and handed over to Badas on the 8th day. Number 5. Daskarma Puja. On the 13th day of dark fortnight, Brahmacharya Panjus perform Daskarma Puja, the principal life cycle ceremony. This ceremony is followed by Kalash Puja. They set up a large Kalash with 63 small pots, each painted with the symbol of Tantric deity. At first, the soul is transferred from Kalash to body. The ceremony includes male as well as female ceremonies such as Tansar ceremony, Vratabandha, sun marriage, Ihi, and the puberty ceremony Gufa. It is believed that the ceremony is performed in the presence of King Narendra Dev. So one of the priests is supposed as King Narendra Dev. Number 4. Fetching water from Kuruva Daha, which is also called Katuval Daha. On the 15th dark fortnight, there is a tradition of fetching water from Katuval Daha, also called as Kuruva Daha, 7 kilometers from Bungamati before the idol of Sri Machindranath is placed on the chariot. Panjus and Malini stay there for a night and early morning perform Sankata Puja. They worship and perform sacrifices in Sri Machindranath's Devalaya, which is also called Peeth. After completion of puja, the water-filled pot is tied to waists of Jal, Panju and Malini and brought to Tawbal Patan. In this way, Panju and Malini go and come barefoot to fetch water. On the Shukla Paksha Pratipada, the first day of bright fortnight, idol of Sri Machindranath is placed in the chariot. The chariot remains in Pujok for next 3 days, and on the first day, the chariot makes its first move to Gabal. Number 3. Lagankhel ceremony. After arriving at Lagankhel, the chariot is pulled round the tree once in order to pay respect to Machindranath's mother. On the same morning, the goat is sacrificed for the wheel of the chariot. It is believed that the sacrifice is offered to 4 Bhairavs of 4 wheels. On the right wheel is Harishiti Bhairav, back of the right wheel is Luta Bhairav, left wheel is Tika Bhairav. In some other articles, it is also written as Hayagriva Bhairav, so that's why I am not so sure. Back of the left wheel is Nanda Kunda Bhairav, which is also called Kundi Bhairav. After sacrifice, chariot is pulled twice more round the tree of Sri Machindranath's mother and brought back to Thatitu. After that, coconut dropping ceremony takes place. Number 2. Finding auspicious day at Mani Mandap. After some days, astrologers assembled at Mani Mandap in Patan Darbar Square to determine auspicious day for journey to Deola Hill. Number 1. Tantric ceremony. It is also called as Panju no Naki Kaigo in Mewari language. On the night before Bodu Jatra, Panju's wife, dressed in rich sari, join hand and shake for performing tantric rituals. This ritual is to scare away demons who came with Machindanath's mother. It is a Diksha ceremony where flowers and sinew is placed in woman's head as yogini and given power to frighten away evil. It is believed that the power of woman is needed to frighten evil spirit. So friends, that's all for this video. Leave your comments and thoughts about this video down below the comment section and let me know if you enjoyed the video.